Hey everybody, on today's episode of Heart to Heart, my son pulled the audio jack out of the recorder, but the content was still good, and so we're putting it out anyhow. Hello everybody, welcome to episode 9 of Heart to Heart. On today's episode, we're going to talk about how to get clients in the door when just starting out, or even just moving to a new city. Just starting out or moving to a new location. I should probably give context for people, Michael. My wife has a migraine. I'm at home. I've got babies everywhere, but the show must go on. And so my little boy Colton is joining us for today's episode. Look, here's the deal. How do you get clients in the door? I'm going to try to go off the cuff here and kind of come up with a few different ideas for you guys in order to do that. There's a lot of different ways, and so hopefully I hit on some of the big ones. Michael, fill in the gaps in case I miss a few here. So very first starting out, let's go that route instead of to a new location. The very first thing that you do when you start out is you take out your phone and you pull out your contacts and you let every single person you know that you started a business and that you are taking on portraiture and you're taking on clients and you're wanting to shoot weddings. So you tell everyone in your inner circle, the people who are closest to you, mom, dad, siblings, friends of friends, people who attended your wedding, people who attended your graduation party. That's right, buddy. You contact everyone on your social media following, all of your Facebook friends, all of your Instagram friends, and you let them know, I'm taking on weddings. I would love to photograph your wedding. I'd love to get my feet wet. Let me know. I'd love to work something out. You tell every single person. If you have an email list, you email people. That's step one. Should we go on to step two? Let's go on to step two. So then the next step from here is there are other vendors in your area who already have your clients, right? There's people there who already have clients because they've already been in business. They've been in business for the last 5 years, 10 years, 2 years, and they already have people. And so this is especially if you're moving to a new area, a new location, a new space. You need to go and start introducing yourselves to all these people. This means like every week, you should be having a touch point with at least 3 new vendors. And look, maybe that's not new vendors, but you should be meeting up with 3 new vendors, building value up for 3 new people every single week. This means showing up, dropping by coffee. Look, this is how Michael got this job, by the way. Michael got the job because he was watching a live feed, and then he swung by and dropped us off coffee, and then he did it again the next week, and then he did it again the next week. But you just need to make yourself known, like not be a stranger to the people who already have the clients that you want. So yes, I'm talking about wedding venues. I'm talking about wedding planners. I'm talking about florists. I'm talking about the small little cookie shop down the road that occasionally does baked goods at smaller weddings. And see what you can do to help them out. Ask them these 2 questions. What's the biggest what's the biggest goal that you have for this year? What's one of the biggest things that you want to accomplish this year? And then how can I help you accomplish it? And even if it's not inside the wedding niche, you still help them accomplish it. Now, if there's things like they need new headshots, then do that. If they need a new little 1-minute sizzle video, then do that. If they need new shots of the venue for the website, for the Easter decor that they have, then do that. You need to figure out how you're going to give these people value before you ever ask for value in return. So you should be doing this. The next thing is you can go super active and you can go very like go get them, like go take these clients, go find them. And so you could do an ad, you could do Facebook ads for like a model call. You could do a Facebook ad for like a free engagement session. The reality is this: you have all the time in the world and you don't have any paying clients. And so you need to create an ad with a landing page. On that landing page is going to be maybe 1 or 2 of the shots that you have done. If you haven't, go take your sister out and put her in a white dress and photograph her. And you're going to put that picture up in an ad. And you're going to say free portrait session, free engagement session, free whatever it is session. You're going to be giving them away. Sign up here. And just start photographing. Like you need to start shooting. Now you can convert this into an actual dollars in. There's a couple ways that you can convert this, but you have to call it what it is. No like gotcha, no bait and switch. So a couple different ways that you can actually convert this is when people come in, you do their session. It's a free session that you're going to give away, but maybe they only get their choice of 3 images. And if they want to get the rest of them all, they can buy them, or they can get print products. So you can do an IPS session. My guess is if you're just starting out, IPS may be a little bit much in terms of in-person sales, print products, albums, all that kind of stuff. But it's totally an option. One of my favorite things to do is with an engagement shoot, offer a free engagement session to couples who they have not chosen their wedding photographer yet. How do you know? You ask them in the form that they fill out on your landing page, and you try to actually win that person over, blow them away at every turn, knock their socks off, and even talk with them about that. Like, just call it what it is. To say, like, look, my goal is I'm going to do this engagement session for you. You're going to get all the pictures. My goal is that we're going to have so much fun that you're going to love every picture so much that you can't imagine not having me on your wedding day. And I'm going to ask you if you want to hire me to shoot your wedding. Like, I think you just tell people literally your whole plan, and they'll probably chuckle about it. They'll be like, okay, man. And then you do, and you deliver, and you win on personality, and you win on love and care, and you win on imagery, and you win on just making them feel so comfortable and so in love with the whole process, right? And then you ask them. You have to actually ask them, look, I want to photograph your wedding. Can we talk about some of the options that we have? And if you want to throw in some special deals, like, look, if you hire me for the wedding, I'll make an engagement book. Or if you hire me for the wedding, I'll give you an extra 3 hours. Like, whatever it is, you get to make those choices. But you can convert these free sessions that build your portfolio into actual paid work. Let's go another route with this. You guys, if you're just starting out, it makes so much sense to attend a bridal show. Honestly, we're deep. We're shooting 6 to 10K weddings. We're 5 years in. We got 5 full-time photographers, and we're still doing bridal shows because we know how to do them right and we know how effective they are. But if you're just starting out, this is, like, guys, when I first started out, I attended a bridal show, and that's why I got my first 10 weddings. Because you have the ability, and look, I'm not out here going to, like, try to encourage people to, like, compete on price. But if you're just beginning, you're not going to charge $5,000 a wedding. You're not going to charge $3,000 a wedding. If you're just starting out and you've got no portfolio and you're year one, month one, you get to compete on price. The trick is you can't stay there. And so go to a bridal show and do it. Undercut everyone. Just know the game that you're playing and know that it's not sustainable. But if the game that you're playing is this, I need portfolio, I need experience. I also need to manage clients' expectations and have them understand that, look, I am in year one. They're not going to get, Jerry Cajonas. They're not going to get Ben Hartley. Do you like how I just combined my name with Jerry Cajonas'? Then do that, right? But I think that's another win. So there's like 4 quick things. You let everybody know. You run Facebook ads. You start visiting with vendors. 3 vendors every single week. You ask them what's the biggest goal that they have, how you're going to help them accomplish it. You give before you ever ask anything in return, and you attend bridal shows. And you need to start looking right now. If there might be a bridal show this weekend, and there's zero excuse for why you can't attend it this weekend. Start Googling it. Go to the bridal show this weekend. Colton, how are you feeling about this, man? You feeling good? You guys, thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go make sure my other boy is alive inside. Look, if you can do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. You guys, I want you to get notified when new videos go live. There's new videos all the time. Leave me a comment down below. What question would you like me to discuss to offer my perspective? Thank you so much. Not the hat hair, Colton. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next episode of Heart to Heart. Bye, everybody.